Welcome to the Riverside Barbecue School. This is our second of 2 days of low and slow smoking courses. 25 people are just about to come and join us. 7 hours of amazing barbecue flavour and fun. Loads of things on. We've got some really nice pork ribs on here. So people are going to be smoking those with different wood, different rubs on that as well. We've got that barbecue, we're just burning that one off now. Joe's here as well, he's got some nice things going on.
We've got some lovely Jacob's Ladder beef short ribs, alternative to the pork ribs. We've got some picanha going on the rotisserie later, the sunny charcoal set up for some brisket, and then come in here and look at the rest of the stuff we've got.
Yeah, we may have quite a lot on this course, okay. This is amazing, Joe. What's this one?
This is a full pack of brisket, so we're going to trim this up and show people how to prepare it on any barbecue they've got.
Outstanding picanha.
Picanha, we're going to do that 3 ways, steaks, rotisserie and some cubes.
I've got a pork collar here, so this is in place of it's like a smaller Boston butt if you don't want to have something so big. This is amazing, this though.
Lovely, yeah.
And I've got some pork belly here, which we're going to smoke really heavily with wood, and then we're going to compress it, and we're going to chop this up a bit later into little kind of lardons. Some are going to go into the smoked mac and cheese, and the others are going to go into the pit beans. These are 2 of yours as well?
Yeah, so we've got some tri-tip here, which makes a lovely alternative Sunday roast. We're going to reverse sear that. We've got cube roll here. We're going to cut that up into some big boy ribeye steaks and reverse sear those as well. Now,
we're going to do quite a lot of this in what's called the hot and fast method, which is showing people how to achieve great results in a short space of time. But we also do something really special here. If we have a little look here, we'll lift this up. Joe, what have we got in here?
This is 18-hour overnight brisket. So this is just resting in the cool box. So we've got the brisket on top, and then there's a pork butt underneath. Both of those have been on overnight, and we'll eat those later.
And we also shouldn't forget, we've actually got oxtail that we've smoked with some nice mesquite with a coffee rub on it as well. We wrap those up. By the time that our guests eat those, they would have been going for over 20 hours for that. And I'm pretty sure that not many other people are doing that in this country.
I think so.
If you want to come and join us, next smoking course is next April. Make sure you get in quick because they sell out immediately.
Yeah.
If you come and join us on any of our courses, I can tell you one thing, it's going to be absolutely fantastic.
Hi, so I'm here at the Low and Slow smoking course. The reason I booked it, well actually it was a Father's Day present for myself, was to learn how to use the Traeger grill. I've had a couple of attempts at it and not gone particularly well, so I thought I'd come and learn from the masters themselves. But I thoroughly recommend the course. I think it's a great course. Great hosts, good food, brisket. All 12 brisket is the best so far. For the rest of the day.
Primarily we're just trying to learn and get better results. We've cooked a few things, mixed results, and a lot of panic. So some of the things we've taken away are just some tips and tricks on how to manage our smoker. And I think for us, well for me anyway, the best thing I've tasted is probably the pulled pork.
Yeah,
I really enjoyed that.
It's really good.
The reason we're here is I love meat, and as an anniversary present, my lovely fiance decided to give me a barbecue course.
It's a great present to give your partner. Way to the man's heart is through food, and this is great place, honestly, to do that.
It's true. We've learned so much today. We don't have any of these fancy barbecues, but it makes us want to get one, like really badly. The snake way of cooking with charcoal is something we've learned today, and the fact that you just like put something in overnight and let it go for like 12-15 hours and enjoy the meat afterwards. Great.
We've been picking up lots of small barbecue hacks as well. You can balance the meat with a knife when you just want to marinate it and you've not got a spare pair of hands. We're just like learning through everything. It's been great. It's going great.
Yeah, we definitely